If you want to optimize Opera browser for better performance and stronger privacy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the top settings to change in Opera so you can reduce lag, block unnecessary tracking, and make your browsing experience feel a lot smoother. These are simple tweaks, but they can make a big difference, especially if Opera is feeling a little slow or you just want a cleaner, more private setup. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera and go to the settings page by typing Opera/ settings into the address bar and pressing enter. This takes you directly into Opera's main settings menu, where you can control performance, privacy, and browser behavior all in one place. Once you're there, look for the system section. Depending on your version of Opera, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Inside system, you'll see an option called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If you notice screen flickering, video stuttering, or laggy playback, go ahead and toggle this off. Hardware acceleration can improve performance on some devices, but on others it can cause glitches instead of helping. Turning it off is one of the fastest ways to test whether Opera runs more smoothly on your computer. After switching it off, you may need to restart the browser for the change to fully apply. Now let's move to the privacy settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. From there, look for Background Sync. This setting controls whether closed sites can keep sending and receiving data after you leave them. To reduce background activity and improve privacy, select Don't allow closed sites to finish sending and receiving data. This is a smart setting to change if you want Opera to use fewer resources and avoid unnecessary background processes. Next, go back to the main settings area and open Privacy Protection. Here, you'll find Opera's built-in ad and tracker controls. Turn on block ads and block trackers. These features can help pages load faster, reduce distractions, and limit the amount of data websites collect about your browsing behavior. After enabling them, click Manage Lists. This is where you can make sure your regional filter lists are up to date. Keeping these lists updated helps Opera block more unwanted ads and trackers more effectively, especially on websites that use region-specific content. After that, scroll down again within Privacy and Security and look for the settings related to data sharing with Opera. Turn off Help improve Opera by sending feature usage information. Also turn off Automatically send crash reports to Opera. These options send usage and crash data back to Opera, but if you prefer a more private setup, disabling them is a good idea. It reduces background reporting and gives you a little more control over what your browser shares. Once you've made all of these changes, your Opera browser should feel more optimized, more private, and in some cases, even faster. You've adjusted performance settings, reduced background syncing, improved aid and the tracker blocking, and turned off extra reporting features. These are the kinds of small changes that add up to a better browsing experience every day. If you want more browser tips and tech tutorials, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.